Kat sau tali ki post ki balai jong ka MPSC. Tenen kong ngas ngu yo blai bala ai nga ya kene kalan ban wan rak lem ya kene kaching pentip shipi ha ka be de ban kene ka penta. Bat kom churu ngapriang sumbah ya pi baro kat ki bayo I ya kene ka video bat ka juga por ngas ban karpat kham tam ya kitu ki parlok ki barang thamai. Lara phis ngu ya hap bat phis ngu tenat ya kene ka channel phila ban kersan ya kene ka channel da ka ba pin subscribe. Kenang bangan sanang la shishu ban wan ra saya kiwe ban kijing pentip hakane ka channel de menta tungnya late no sa kate ka penta kami galia public service commission lawa lishmer chelong nyau khandai lai not way kat kum ka notification bala pen mi ha ka khat khandai terik banai December ar jara pusan ngan puli ya kate ka notification on behalf of government of Meghalaya applications are invited on online mode from the citizen of India as per the term and conditions of this advertisement for recruitment to the post mentioned below. Important, it is mandatory for the applicant to have acquired the requisite educational qualification prescribed for the post as on the last date fixed for submission of application. The date on which an applicant is deemed to have acquired the requisite educational qualification shall be the date on which the result of the last examination for such qualification or degree is declared by the universities or board or institutes. Online application will be received up to 17 hours on 23rd January 2026 and no application will be entertained after the closing date. Te katkum kate ka advertisement kate ka office ka code application ya ki eligible candidate hak online mode pan pendap ya ki post ki balai ki nong apply ki de pan apply tang lengba ka online mode bat ya kate ka online application in sapriang tang hapo ka ar pulai tarik jong ubanai Januari ar hajar ar panreu bat hadin jong kate kimla shu ban priang. The examination center are Shillong, Tura, Jawai, and William Nagar, and Nongstoin. If number of candidates apply for center like Jawai, Nongstoin, and William Nagar is not adequate, then the commission receives the right to direct the applicant to appear in the nearest center. The HKBD bat ka examination center kachika bantau exam kadran Shillong, Tura, Jawai, William Nagar, bat Nongstoin. The sabha ki candidate ki haban appear ya ka exam katkum kajing hab ka sentar ka jongki kip sa ban apply hakiwe kiwe pat ki sentar te menta tung ni pait ya ki post ka kerteng jong ka post balai ka de jong ka sericulture inspector or reeling enforcement or manager under the directorate of sericulture and weaving department of textile Meghalaya Shillong ka jingsiu kanlong haka pay skill level 10 revised pay structure ka educational qualification ki candidate ki haban pendap ya ka masters lane bachelor's degree in botany lane zoology with postgraduate diploma in sericulture lane BSc sericulture ki post jong ki category kilong artli na kamta jongki arkategori rutli na kamta jongki khasi jaintia santli na kamta jongki garu kawe na kamta jongki OSC lane STs total kanlong khatsao tli ka age and age relaxation kanlong ki candidate ki ba apply ketika post kita panadap ya ka khat prasnam sajrong haduk live arsnam but kandon ya ka age relaxation ka basan snam na kamta jongki SC lane ki ST kategori no age bar na kapanta jongki government service by apply na kapanta ketika post kan long lai spa arbau tengka bat ki SC lane ki ST kategori kin siu tang siteng dor kata kan long sispa andreu tengka kawai ka post de saji sinpat ki candidate ki ba apply ya ketika post ki haban submit ya ki application form jongki hak online application te na kapanta ki jingtip pa kampunya phila ban lek hak website jongka MPSC Te session pan ka last date na kapunta ka online application jong ka post kan long haka arpulai tarik banai Januari hajar arpun rio. Ka screening test kan long ka general English format, general knowledge and current affair format, agriculture domain subject chispa format. Total kan long nice marks. Te ki candidate ki ba pas ya ka screen test kila bana PR siya ka personal interview. Te tangkum ta perlok ngin saya akan dupat na ka wipan ka video ko blay sibun.